Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is September 15th, 2017, and today is Friday. So looking at the economic events of the day, just one event coming after a very volatile week. We'll discuss that in just a moment, but we have at 2:30 South African time retail sales coming out, and that's a major number. So we'll look at that in just a little bit, but let's see what's been happening. So we're looking here at the EURUSD, and we're bouncing off this 118.80 level. As we spoke yesterday, this would have been a really good spot to actually pick it up. We're about 30 pips above it, so nothing really colossal, but maybe something will develop today, a bull flag here, as we touch the trend line. So this is really kind of happening. I think it's the first time that we've actually, stalled this upper movement since we had this tremendous breakout since the beginning of May. So this is something to keep an eye on, okay, as it develops throughout the rest of the week. GBP USD, fantastic news for the GBP, getting much stronger here. 134 this morning, continuing its upsurge, and a little bit of a retracement, very mild retracement considering the massive up move that we've had. And this is exactly what I want to see, because we're at this previous resistance, okay? So I'd like to see some continuation. If we do close this gap, we could definitely get back to 140 level, okay? And that's really great news for the British pound, as the market is slumping there on its real estate market is slumping there. So retailers are not doing as well, and thereby, when the economy is not doing as well, the currency does better. So in essence, that's exactly what's been happening here with some of the news that's came out. Looking at gold, we're trading at 13.29, a nice bounce off of this resistance level, previous resistance level, subsequent support, as you can see here. So 125 really was the 1320 was the support level, as you can see here, and we're bouncing right off of it. So this is something to keep an eye on as it develops. Looking at the Dow Jones, new highs for the year, 22,173 all-time highs. I mean, this thing is a rocket star, okay? It's not really giving up. And if we look at the velocity and the tremendous amount of gain we've had just over the past year, it's really unbelievable. So, to say where it's going to head it to, it could head to 23, 24, 25,000 even, okay? There are some expectations for that to actually hit. So keep an eye on this as this develops later today. Looking at the DAX, it's trending up higher, but it's not breaking higher. So this is really a very big contrast between the Dow and the DAX, okay? So it really looks at the Dow as the leading indicator, and the DAX is just following it and trailing behind it. So, in light of the fact that we have the EURUSD, which has gotten stronger vis-a-vis the Dow Jones, but the DAX has not gotten stronger relatively. So this is something to keep of note as things are shifting in the market. This is Razak. I want to wish you guys a great trading weekend. Thank you.